fairly successful day. We've got one thing left to do, and we need to track this sucker up. Obviously we've messed around with most of the front suspension components. Nothing's going to be quite where it was before, although it was great before. So we need to get this tracking sticks down and have a go at some old school tracking. Right, the idea of the tracking sticks is you get these two bars, which are the same length, and you push them onto the rim nice and evenly. So you set this one up like that. I've set the other one up on the other side exactly the same. Over here you can see it has a gauge that tells you how far in or out of camber you are. Not camber, tracking. Anywhere between half a degree and 0 is lovely for us in our little van. It'd be handy if your steering is pointing straight, and what you do is you look down through here, out of here, and it goes across to the mirror on the other side, bounces back to there, and you can see whether your wheels are square or not. Let me see if you can see down the line. No, you can't. I'm just going to check to see how far off we are. Oh dear. Right, that's how far we are. We are towing out by... Oh, sorry, no, we're towing in by way too much. So we need to readjust. Right, I just need to wind this in a couple of turns in order to move the tracking across. Ah. Right, let's take another look, see where we are at. Oh, definitely improved. But not enough. We need to wind it right in, which is good. Because I think this wheel needs to go in further in order to get the steering wheel straight in the car. So we're going to do all the adjusting on this wheel now, just to pull that in. Oh. So a successful day tinkering with the van, with one job left to do. Take it for a spin. See if those improvements are improvements. But first, I think it'd be a good idea if we had a digital health check on this Caddy. Let's take a look at the equipment we're going to be using today. This is the TOPDON AD800BT, if I've got that right.
You have got it right. Amazingly enough, you got that right.
These were supplied to us by TOPDON, and it is a lovely bit of kit. Look how nice that is. That is so cool. It
is fantastic. It is a wireless, Bluetooth enabled OBD2 diagnostics machine.
Yeah, and it's completely touchscreen. It's the latest sort of tech, and it's really easy and simple to use. So this is where the reader is. So that's nicely stored away in the actual machine.
Not easily lost.
Yeah, not easily lost. So that just clicks into there really easily. Let's have a look at the interface.
The great thing about this is it also comes with free lifetime updates.
free lifetime
It
updates.
does,
That's
yeah.
bloody brilliant.
Isn't it? You don't have to worry about it coming out of date or anything. Over the Wi-Fi, wireless, update, ready to go. Brilliant.
And the good people at TOPDON have given us a lovely discount for us to share with you guys. So if you're looking for a bit of diagnostics equipment, give these guys a shout out. I know my mechanic cousin has definitely gone and bought one of these already, and he does this full time. He was very impressed with it. Impressed, yeah.
Yeah, very impressed.
I mean, he was weighing up this over the Snap-on one, and he chose this. So that says a lot.
It does say a lot. Anyway, so here we go. Got your screen. It's basically a little like Android tablet, isn't it?
It is basically a little. It's all touch screen, so we can just go into there if we wanted to, but we need to get the car.
Yeah.
So let's go take this sucker to the car, plug it in, and give our Caddy a digital health check.
Let's go.
First ignition on. So scan, auto search. It's now looking for the VIN number. We might have to put it in manually. Right, that's the VIN number entered in. Let's press the old enter button. Yes. Checking the car over.
So I'm gonna give it a nice scan. And then
See the little light flashing down there?
Oh yeah, look, activity on the old reader.
See that? See, we've got a couple of codes already.
We're getting colours. We're getting colours.
Mostly ticks, a couple of non-ticks.
That's really cool.
Tell you what, it's scanning it really fast, isn't it?
It's scanning it really fast, nearly done.
Yeah.
That's all done now. It's all checked the car. We found a fair few problems with the old Caddy. All that. One airbag problem, that's interesting.
So everything that's red, there's an issue with
Yes,
the system.
we've got a couple of issues here. Right, we can either go into this on the TOPDON system, or we can email it directly to the customer, or we can print it out and hand it over as a printout. I think those are fantastic things. And this literally means you can rock up on someone's driveway, diagnose their car, and email them the results without having to need, because it's Wi-Fi, you could use that on your phone.
Hotspot on your mobile
Hotspot
phone,
on your mobile
brilliant,
phone,
yeah.
And you literally need nothing but this.
No computers, just one handheld unit, so handy.
I'm going to go for printout.
Let's print it out and let's
Print
have a
it
look
out
what
and
we've
let's
got
see
to
what we got.
fix on this car.
Yeah.
So there we have it, full vehicle systems report printed off. We've got a couple of issues that we need to check, mister.
Yeah.
The AC refrigerant pressure is low.
That's because the AC pump's trash. I'm not going to replace it.
I'm not going to fix that, okay. Take that one off. Airbag supply voltage problem. Have to look into that.
Yeah, that needs fixing.
We have that canvas problem with the radio, the infotainment, that's irrelevant. We changed the head unit. And we have a driver's door electronics. One problem exists, control module incorrectly coded. Now I think that this actually can code those modules, so I'm going to research that and have a look into it, see if we can fix that ourselves.
Thank you very much.
But everything else is okay. Engine electronics okay, brake electronics okay, steering column electronic systems okay, instrument cluster, anti-theft immobilizer, comfort system central control module.
That's one of them.
I don't know, but
They
it's
actually have a
okay.
control
Well, it's
line.
clearly not working.
And the passenger door electronics are okay.
Are they really?
They're all right.
They are.
But now, there we go. So there's our full health check done on the Caddy.
That'd be fantastic if you wanted to just diagnose people's cars and send them information. I mean, you could charge.
It's not just for that.
Your
though.
car's got the flu.
You can do all your service and maintenance with this. You know, like purging ABS pumps and.
Yeah, it's the
resetting.
diagnostics machine. It does lots of cool stuff.
We haven't even scratched the surface
Not
yet. I'm looking
even.
forward to playing with this. But I think the last thing to do now before signing off is you go and check if the van drives okay.
Yes.
Go take it for a spin.
Okay.
And that's it from us.
Yeah.
Thank you for watching.
Is it for
Yeah,
us?
thank you guys for. Oh god, why the close up?
One more thing.
In other news.
In other news.
In other news. We have a
Okay,
papa in
we've
the
got a
house.
little tiny bundle of joy sleeping down here.
New team member has arrived.
Oh, she's lovely and she's perfect, and she's the reason for our lack of sleep.
Yes, that's the reason we're looking a little bit tired at the moment.
We'll come over it.
We will get over it. Hopefully, videos will start coming out every Sunday again. Hopefully soon.
Hopefully,
No
fingers
rush.
crossed.
Fingers crossed. We'll have some content for you all.
Good.
Bye.
Bye.
Right, bye again. Don't do that close up.
Why not?
Oh no!